Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode here. Why am I saying episode? Really? Another video. Duh. This is your girl Jasmine coming to you from Mississippi. 36 years old. You already know I've been in the online space since December of 2017. Definitely loving this background here. I love it. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Don't forget to check that description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. At the end of the day, hey, all you got to do is do it. Do videos like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but do the videos. Put yourself out there. Teach what you know. Teach what you're basically learning, so on and so forth. Like who better to do it than you? Period. 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 Just had to hype it up, hype me up, hype me up. Come on. Get this thing going here real quick. So, for this particular video, here I'm going to be talking about digital marketing 101, how to start with zero. How to start with zero experience. I mean, you got to keep it going. You just got to be yourself when it comes to these videos. Everything does not have to be absolutely perfect. Just know that you're doing it. And each and every day, as you continue to do stuff, you will perfect your craft. Simple as that. So, Digital Marketing 101, how to start with experience. Zero experience. I came into this online space, zero experience. Okay. Most of you know this, most of you may not know this. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is basically to promote a product and or a service. You're promoting something through the digital space itself. You're promoting it through Etsy. You're promoting it through channels like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You got what other platforms? You got Twitter. I don't think people really just use Twitter like that as much, but yeah, you got that platform. You got Lemon 8. So you got these different platforms and they are digital because it's basically you're doing it from your phone. You don't even have to leave your home. So non-traditional type ways are basically what I just stated, but traditional ways are going out, like getting away from social media, like going to pop up shops, basically having flyers, business cards, basically also having a shirt made of what you pretty much do. You're promoting yourself offline. You're also showing up to networking events, different things like that, but you're getting away from social media and you're doing it offline. And I think a lot of people are not, I guess, into the space of trying to get away from the online. It's like everybody is so online right now, is that they're so afraid to get away from that. And it's okay to, you know, get offline and go and do networking events or whatever the case may be. But there are so many people who are absolutely shy. There are people who are pretty much introverts. They don't like to talk. They don't like to be around a lot of people. I mean, you may see me talking and different things like that and not afraid to talk, but be honest, I don't like a lot of people. I don't like to be in a space where it's a bunch of people because it's like I feel as if I gotta watch you. You know what I'm saying? It's like I gotta watch my back. That's just being honest. So that's just it. And a lot of people think that you got to come into this space and you got to have experience. You got to have a degree. You got to have a whole bunch of followers. You got to just know this and you got to know that. No, you're coming into this space learning. Just like when you went to college, you went into that space learning. Just like you went to school, K through 12, you went into that space learning. So what you do is you flip it. The things that you have learned in high school, the things that you have definitely learned in college, if you have taken courses, did certifications, different things like that, flip it and do a digital product. Flip it and do a digital product. So you don't have to need a whole bunch of followers. People think you need 5,000 plus followers to start promoting a product. A product is like a digital product. A product can also be like you trying to sell water or something like that. You see what I'm saying? A product can basically be like you're trying to sell a charger. You know, a product can be lotion, perfume. A product can be something that you use on a daily basis, skincare. That's a product. You know, something that you're using, that's a product that you're basically promoting, that you're putting out there. You're doing content around. A service is basically a coaching service, mentorship. Also a service is financial repair, getting your credit, back in order. That's a service. Also doing life insurance. That is pretty much a product, but it's also offering a service as well too. Then on top of that, business funding. That's basically a product, but you're offering that to people who have an LLC, who's been in business for 3 to 6 months and have generated some revenue as well too, to see how much they can get in business funding. Business funding, yes, you do have to pay back. Either you got to pay daily, weekly, or monthly. It all depends on the lender. And all you got to do is click the link below and go to where it says, it should say like rebuild her. Go to that link. You can then go to basically do the application to get some business funding. I'm telling you, this is me offering a product. So at the end of the day, you have to get into something that you can offer to somebody that can help the next person. What you're doing, how can that solve a problem? How can it solve a problem for the next person? The information that you have, somebody else most likely want that information. How can it solve a problem for that person there? You see, you can basically be in this digital space doing affiliate marketing. Most of you know what that is. Most of you may not. Affiliate marketing is when you get access to a link. Like say for instance, you sign up for um you sign up to resell salad. That's just an example now. You sign up to resell, or basically you got a link for salad and you talking about salad. Just like with Amazon, you basically are selling like a pair of shirts or something like that, a set of shirts, and you having a link to it. That's an affiliate link. So with an affiliate link, you basically get a percentage. That means they are offering you 25%, they're offering you 30%, they may be offering you 15% off of that. Like your affiliate link, you got it, especially with Amazon. Let's say for instance a product is $30, you may only get 10% in commissions off of that $30. Let's say for instance you tap into a digital marketing course, that's an affiliate course, and where the course itself is $300, but you're got an affiliate link and you're only getting $180 of that $300. So that means you're getting commission off of that $300. So whenever you have a link to something and it leads to a product and or service, and they state that you will get 25 to maybe 50% commission of that product and or service, that's what you're getting as an affiliate. You just have a link. Even with when it comes with a website that's already done for you, it's a link. So you get a commission. So everything is done for you. You ain't got to worry about that too much. You're just pretty much putting your affiliate link out there and getting a partial commission. You're not getting a full commission. When it comes to MRR, which is master resale rights, if you got a course, a digital marketing course, and they offer master resale rights. Master resale rights meaning that you're reselling the entire thing, meaning that you have access to resell the entire thing for 100% profit. Let's say, for instance, a course is set at $400, and that's what you have to repeatedly sell it for. That means the person you bought it from gets $400. If you go and resell that same exact product, but you're putting your own take to it, you're putting your own little jazz to it, you're being basically not like everybody else. It's like you're standing out from the crowd, so you're putting your little jazz to it and you're reselling it for $400 as well too. guess what's going to happen? You're going to get $400 minus whatever platform you're selling it on. If you're selling it on Beacons or Stan, you're going to do minus the fees for like PayPal or Stripe, or what have you. And if you are doing, basically I did state that about the affiliate links. So yeah, I mean, master resale rights, reselling an entire course. So if you get basically a course that has PLR, which is private label rights, basically ebooks, and you got those ebooks. You ain't got to buy an ebook from Etsy. You ain't got to buy an ebook from this person, that person. You got a whole bunch of ebooks, 20,000 PLRs in an entire module, PLR reels, bundles. Click the link below in the description. Go to Mompreneur Profits. You can take a look at the sneak peek if you're ready to get started. It's only $45 with buy now, pay later, and an entire access to the PLR module. You can resell a PLR 100% profit. Like if a vendors list, we got a vendors list. We got medical carrier. We got so many PLRs in there. So if you resell, if you edit and you customize the medical carrier ebook, you can resell that ebook in your digital storefront for either $10, $15, or $20, but you're seeing how much it's worth, right? So if you reselling it for $20, that's your money, your profit. Mine is all the transactional fees. But $20, imagine 5 people getting that medical carrier ebook. That's $100 right there that you just made for selling a digital product that was completely already done for you. All you did was add your little touch to it. You edit it, you customize it to your liking, you put a hyperlink in there to your actual digital storefront or more products and or services and links to your social media, but you sold it. Got access to that for you. So, but at the end of the day, you do not need any type of experience when it comes to the online space. You just need to connect with someone and get you a mentor, a person that's going to actually guide you. Even if it's somebody that's just going to guide you. I'm the type of person that's going to help you. I'm the type of person that's going to actually guide you and show you the way, show you that, hey, do your video like this, use this type of caption, use this type of hashtags, try this out, try that out. You everything when it comes to social media is trial and error. You got to see what's working because you got to understand there are so many people out here that are either promoting the same thing as you or basically promoting a product and or service or whatever the case may be. So it's like you're out there and it's like people are trying to find you in a needle in a haystack. So this is why you got to be consistent, but this is why you also got to be different as well too, so people can find you. Think about it. Social media is absolutely great, but at the same time, you got to find a way for people to actually find you. You just got to be consistent as much as you possibly can. Simple as that. Simple as that. I'm telling you, that start your online journey today. No experience whatsoever. This business academy is 100% beginner friendly. It really is. Yes, it has a lot of information in it, but it's basically like going to school and tapping into like different courses and things like that, tapping into different classes. And it's like, oh, let me learn this, or oh, I want to learn this. That's what it basically is. So all it takes is $45 today to get started. One time payment really of $180. Yes, you will have to pay $5 to stay active within the school platform itself. Things have been updated, things had to change. I'm very transparent as well too. It's basically due to a lot of spammers and things and stuff like that. We got to keep the integrity of the business academy. I'm just gonna leave it and put it just like that. Simple as that. Simple as that. I am telling you, when I say it's money out here to be made, it is money out here to be made. If you are a nurse, Did you know that you can share your life experiences and put it into content and also put it into a digital product? If you already want done for you products, I got you. So think about how you as a nurse, if you are LPN, a CPN, or RN, think about how you can take your experiences, put it into a digital product, put it into content, give people tips, give people things about pros and cons, tricks, how to pass the test, and different things like that. Do you not know that you can reach people as well too, and you can also eventually get monetized? Because with TikTok, you got to have 10,000 followers. Just imagine getting monetized off of just teaching people about how nursing works. Just imagine being monetized on Instagram. You got to have 10,000 followers. Just imagine being monetized on YouTube. I think you got to have over 1,000 followers to start getting monetized, and so much watch time and different things like that as well too. But just think about that for a moment. When you get monetized, that's extra income. When you're selling your digital product, extra income. When you're reselling the entire business academy, extra income. Boom, simple as that. Teach somebody something and package it up into a digital product to where they can learn directly from you. So, digital marketing 101, how to basically start with zero experience, and you don't need a bunch of followers, you don't need no degree, you don't need nothing. What you need is the work ethic, what you need is to have faith, and what you need is to know that you can absolutely do this just like me. Hmm. Simple as that. Period. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. Definitely share this with someone if you think that it's basically helpful and it can help the next person as well too. And I'm looking to really honestly grow the YouTube channel here because I'm definitely trying to hit 500 subscribers and more and get watch time and everything and be monetized well soon. So I'm working on that. So definitely just hit that subscribe button. It's just hit it. I understand you may or may not like the content just yet, but just hit that subscribe button because it costs what? $0 to do it. Period. Yes. So definitely stay tuned for more videos from me. And I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome day. Toodles. Check that description below.